Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a report for the top product discounts. Quick walkthrough in Power BI, get data, show you all the options where to retrieve or download your data. I've already downloaded a file, an Excel file, and loaded the data into this table here, where you can see this is the store table with all these fields here. Next, go to visualization and click that table here, which is over here, this table, and put the fields in this table. You can see highlighted one. First field is the product, and the second one is the discount percent. Here, I wanted to show the top products which have the top discount percent. So you can see over here, this is the table. Now, in order to make this table easier to see, I need something like a filter here instead of like just like filter here. I can always filter here with, for example, the top discount on top, or change the order over here, right? Whether it's ascending or descending. But I wanted to make this a little bit nicer by inserting a filter. This is actually a checklist slicer, which I will go through later on. First, let's look at this over here. In order to make this happen, I need another um, table over here, which I call top end options. And I put the measure here. First, let's look at the measure rank product. This measure is pretty much like I say, if store discount percent is greater than 1, is 0, right? Because discount is always going to be less than 0 or less than 100%. And function rank X basically rank all the table here, table store, the field product by the field discount percent. Then I will need a rank product within selected N measure. So I would say if rank product is 0, right? And if a rank product is less than or equal to the selected N, show 1, otherwise show 0. Now let's go through the selected N over here. Selected N measure is actually, I use the function selected value using the table top N options top N. The top N is actually here. And let me show you here. I created a table, which is the top N options, with just like one column, header top N, and I put 4 rows, 5, 10, 15, 20. You can put whatever level that you want. These are the levels that we want to look at here. For example, if I pick 5, then it will only show me the top 5 product with top discount. And if I wanted to see 10, it's gonna come up with 10 and or 15 or 20, whatever, right? So now it's pretty much done with this table over here. Now, however, let me walk through a little bit about this checklist slicer. You can see this is the checklist slicer right here, visual. So pretty easy. You can just click the visual and you click this table here, top end. It put it into this visual here. Now you have all these levels showed up. Uh, two things that you wanted to look at. First of all, the discount percent is something that we need to create a measure and to calculate the discount percent. So this discount percent is actually this measure over here that I created. So basically, to do the discount percent, the formula is you use 1 minus the list ACV. In other words, the total list price revenue, I call it list ACV, and then you minus the total of the sales. The sales here is actually the total profit, not profit, total revenue after discount. And then you divided this total here, this sum here, by the list ACV. So I use the function divide within Power BI, which is much better because instead of using the division operator, which is uh, the forward slash. So this function divide here will make sure that you don't have a not divisible numerator or blank or zero or something. So I save this measure into this table here, store table. Uh, then this measure is going to go into here. Now, a couple of things that we want to look at is the filter over here. So by making the discount percent only showing 1 in this table, so I need this filter over here and only show items when the value is less than 1 for discount percent, right? And also, very important is the rank product within selected N. I need to filter out only showing items equal to 1. Um, because we've looked at the measure over here, right? So if rank product is small, less or equal to the selected N, my selected N here is 5, is showing 1. So the filter that I use in this table should also filter out only rank product with the selected N is 1. So I've also included a page for your reference of how to write the formula and the DEX measure over here. Take a look at this one. This pretty much wraps up my presentation. And if you like this video, please check out my other videos in my channel. Thank you for watching.